Have you ever tasted the unique flavor of Hojicha tea? Hojicha tea, a hidden gem from Japan, has been warming hearts and hands for centuries. This delightful tea, with its reddish-brown hue, offers a distinctive flavor profile that sets it apart from other teas. Its smoky, slightly sweet taste has captured the hearts of many tea enthusiasts worldwide. Some people might think Hojicha tea is less potent than other teas, but that's a common misconception. The truth is, Hojicha has a unique character that is both soothing and invigorating. Another misconception is that it's only a Japanese tea, which is true, but its cultural significance and history make it so much more. It's also often thought that Hojicha is a type of green tea, but the roasting process changes its chemical composition, making it quite unique. The journey of Hojicha begins with the careful harvesting of tea leaves, typically from the Camellia sinensis plant. These leaves are then subjected to a specific roasting process that transforms them into the signature Hojicha. The roasting technique, often involving a rotating drum, brings out the tea's distinctive color and flavor. This process can be repeated to achieve the perfect roast. As the leaves roast, they start to emit a nutty aroma that signals the beginning of the Hojicha making process. The art of roasting Hojicha is a delicate balance of time and temperature, which requires great skill and experience. Hojicha's roasting process not only enhances its flavor but also reduces its caffeine content, making it a perfect choice for a relaxing evening drink. Whether you're a seasoned tea enthusiast or just starting your tea journey, Hojicha's unique story will surely captivate you. The first sip of Hojicha tea is an experience like no other. The aroma fills your senses, transporting you to a serene landscape of rolling hills and tranquil gardens. As you take a sip, the smoky flavor dances on your palate, leaving a soothing warmth that spreads throughout your body. The calming effects of Hojicha are undeniable, making it an ideal choice for unwinding after a long day. In conclusion, Hojicha tea offers a unique experience that's worth exploring. Its rich history, distinctive flavor, and calming effects make it a delightful addition to any tea journey. If you've had a chance to try Hojicha tea, share your experience with us in the comments below. For more insights into the world of tea, be sure to check out our other videos.